What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and I know there is no face cam because when I pressed record with my camera, the battery decided, nope, I'm not gonna record today. I don't have the time to charge because when you're watching this video, I have to leave the house for an appointment, so I don't have the time right now to charge the camera. But in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to color grade Laka Pro. But don't worry guys, the face cam will return. This is just one single video without the face cam because the battery decided to die upon me. So what we're gonna do is, like you guys have seen in the intro, we're gonna add in some awesome color grading presets. I have to mention, some of them are free, some of the other ones are also paid, but don't worry guys, don't panic, they are really affordable and they're not gonna cost you hundreds of dollars. So what I also want to mention is I have a brand new banner on YouTube. I had the previous one for a year now, so this is the new one. Make sure to let me know down in the comments what do you think of it, and also a brand new profile picture because that's the reason I haven't been uploading the past 2 days. I was shooting some Instagram pictures, so if you want to see these photos, make sure to follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description at Alex Halford if you want to see some next level pictures. So with that out of the way, let's get started with today's video. So this is a clip of Just in the City, and what we're going to do, the first one is going to be free. I'll leave a download link in the description. You don't have to pay for anything, which is the LUT filter. So if I head over to the video effects tab, we're going to scroll down to the L until we see LUT, which is right here. So if you click on it, you want to pick the default and you want to drag it onto your clip. Now, as you can see, there's nothing happening because we don't have selected a preset. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick the orange and teal. Now, if you pay attention to the clip, this is what is going to happen to the clip. It looks very cool, very cinematic. I have showed you guys this in previous ones, so this is not really the main filter of what we're going to do and what I'm going to show you guys to color grade Laka Pro. The other one is called Vegasaur. Now, I want to mention that this one is not free, but it's affordable. It is only 30 bucks. I will also leave a link in the description if you want to pick it up. So if you bought it and you want to use it, you just want to fill in the serial key, and then how you want to do that and how you want to apply it onto your video, it is going to be very simple. The only thing you need to do is place your marker on the video. Then you want to go over to the View tab. You want to hit Extensions and you want to pick Film Looks. Now this box is popping up and right here you have all kinds of volumes. So let's pick volume 1. If you want to have a nice black and white image, you can just double click on it, and as you can see, it just appears to black and white. So if you want to pick other ones, you can just press Ctrl Z to just undo it, and then you can just pick other ones. You can see a little preview every time once you want to apply them. So if you double click on here, this is basically how you do it. This is just pre-made for you, but you can also color grade with the color corrector, which I'll be showing you in a second. So right here you have all kinds of volumes. We have all volume 2. We have these ones. As you can see, if I apply that onto the clip, looks very cinematic, and this is how you can actually spice up your videos, color grade Laka Pro. Very cool. You can just go browse through it, and this is my personal favorite. This one, it adds in like this little bit more green and blue. It is just really nice. You can just browse through all these filters, and believe it or not, I have given away one of these packs for free. If you want to win future presets, make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned because we're gonna run new giveaways, you know, every now and then, so stay tuned for that. So this is basically how you use the LUT and the Vegasaur. So if you want to close this out, you can also color grade just with a color corrector inside Vegas. So head over to the video effects tab. You want to go to the C where it is color corrector right here. Then you want to just drag the default one on top of the clip, and right here now you can decide what do you want to add. Do you want a little bit more, you know, blue low tones? You can just add it in like that, but not too much obviously, because otherwise it will look like a little bit oversaturated and like just forced, like blue colors forced into the clip. You also can add in some mid-tones. You can go over to the pink one, but if you want to have a little bit more cold looking footage, you can just add in a little bit more blue. If you want to have some warm one, you can just add in a little bit more red to kind of orange. And obviously the high tones, you can just go ahead and, you know, change it up that way, and it is really simple. But what you can also do is head over to the color corrector secondary, and you can just drag on the default just as usual, and then you can even change the hue, and that's going to completely change the image. You can also add in some saturation, and if you want to click on this one, you will have some awesome low tones that you can change up. You can also have the limit saturation. The options are endless, guys. You can also create your own presets, and you can also just, for for example, like these darken mids that you can also apply onto your videos. Very cool, multiple presets you can apply. So this is how you color grade like a pro, guys. If you want to pick up the LUT filter, the Vegasaur, or anything like that, links are in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for the continued support. So that's it for this week, guys. I will catch you guys on Monday with brand new videos as usual. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys obviously next week.
Yeah.